Well, hey there. Welcome. I'm Shauna, and you have stumbled upon Witchcraft Now. It is still Self-Love Sunday. I have just quick changed like Superman because I can. And I felt like it. Lighten up my smudge stick because we're doing another unboxing. Now we have Sacred Space Crate. As I mentioned previously, we are doing a new thing this month. I'm unboxing with you so you can get to see what I see as I open it and sharing with you my process. I like to invite new objects into my home, especially spiritual things. I like to believe that I can trust the people that I get my things from, but you know, you never know what kind of mood someone's in when they put things together. So it's just always wise to, you know, as this says, please handle with care. So that's what I do. I smudge things. I light my incense. I don't have an incense lit right now because normally this box comes with one, so, or with incense in it. God, I'm so excited I can't talk. I love Self-Love Sundays. It has become my favorite day of the week. It is truly helping me appreciate myself and everyone else around me. Because in order to love everyone else, you have to love yourself too, because we're all one. And it's vital that we take care of ourselves and appreciate who we are so that we can appreciate others who are also us. It's just glorious. Every day just gets better and better. Sacred Love Box. The Soul Spell box was kind of based around love. Surprisingly, as I was opening it, I was talking about how, you know, most love spells can be like self-love spells, but that was actually a sex spell, which was pretty funny because I was talking about that right before I opened it. So let's see what this one has to say. Oh, embedded in our nature to love and have a desire to be loved. Love is a relationship between two energies, whether it be love we receive from our family, friends, and or a significant other. For that relationship to be healthy and fulfilling, you must have an even healthier relationship with yourself. See? I don't even have to read anymore right now. Enough said. I am totally vibing with these boxes this month. This one is usually a hit or a miss with me, but I'm telling you, they have stepped up their game. I don't know what's in here, but ooh, look how beautiful. This is what I see when I open the box. See, there's our incense. We're about to light one of those and put it behind us. I'm going to show you my incense holder too. I made it, and we are going to be making one soon because I want to do some modifications to it. The one I made holds the jumbo incense as well as the smaller ones, but I want to do one that holds rope incense as well. So kind of like a multiple type thing. I haven't figured out how to do it with holding cone incense without like burning it. Oh my God, that smells fabulous. What are these? Passion incense sticks. Well, that definitely smells like passion to me. Oh yeah, loving that. If you're curious about my little get up that I have on my scarf, I made this. You can head over to my website and email me at theheadshack.com. Theheadshack@gmail.com is my email, but theheadshack.com is my website. And I make things, crochet things. I make all kinds of random things. I've got a lot of things made that aren't on my website, so I do a lot of custom work. First thing we have here is another smudge stick. I can never have enough of these. I swear, I smudge all the time, consistently. My home, my kid, myself. I just smudged myself before I did this and then before I did the other one. Never hurts. Love it. This one's beautiful. It's got roses wrapped around it. It's gorgeous. Can you see? I love it. It's beautiful. All right. What else we got? We always get these little strings in here. These little crimpy things, which are cool. I have learned to utilize these for gift giving. For Christmas, birthdays, things like that. It just helps kind of look cute in boxes that you give away. So I don't throw them away. I keep them and pass them along. Or Easter's coming. I have an 8-year-old. So that may come in handy for that as well. I won't have to buy this. What do we got here? Rose hips. In the cute little jars that sit sideways or right side up. Those are beautiful rose hips too. Can you see them? Those are nice and large. Love that. Okay, we have Love Potion Ritual Tea with rose petals, rose hips, rose buds, Dahlia leaf, jasmine, chamomile, lavender, passion flower, red raspberry leaf, and love. Caffeine free. They always send a tea. I'm seeing, ooh. This is a form candle, a human form candle. I may need my little knife to cut into this one so I don't rip the candle apart. This is going to be part of a spell. I can already see that. This one's beautiful. I don't have one like this. I have a similar one, but it's not this color and it's not this shape. This one's really beautiful. I love the pink color to it. This one's nice. Very, very nice. Apparently something's telling me to do a love spell lately. My man's going to be loving that. Ooh, yay, another bracelet. Oh, God, this one's beautiful. Ooh, it has an infinity symbol. Rose quartz. Oh, this is gorgeous. Lava stone. I don't know if that's sterling. That was going to be the only problem because I have a tendency to sleep in mine. I do take them off when I bathe, though. These ones I do. Because I have learned my lesson that they will tear up. But isn't that beautiful? You can put essential oils on them and they smell really nice for a very long time. So that's good. I love those. That's the third one I've gotten and I love them. When I put my essential oils on them, I don't have to do it very often. They hold the scent very well. Rosewater, Beauty and Love Ritual Spray. Let's get a sniff of this, shall we? That actually smells really nice. Some of the ritual sprays that you get, like they smell nice, but they don't smell great, like that you just want to wear it. And this one smells like something that I would wear. That smells really nice. But I love the scent of rose, so definitely loving that. Ooh, rose hip. I love it when I love these balms. These are this little thing right here is one of my very favorite things in this box that she sends on a regular. Like there's always a balm in here. This is anti-aging, dry skin, and skin lightening. Get out of town. Is this going to stop my dark spots? Holy shit. Ingredients: rose hips, rose petals, sweet almond oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, beeswax, geranium essential oil, and phenanip, whatever that is. Never heard of that. It smells incredible. Oh, yeah. So this is for your face? I have to read the directions on this. It's going to lighten age spots. That's a whole new level right there. We've entered a whole new level at Sacred Space Crate. If you're going to start lightening my age spots, then I was considering letting you go, but I don't know now. Dead sea salt, rose petals, jasmine buds, lavender, rose essential oil, bath for the goddesses, ritual bath salts. I love bath salts. I took a ritual bath today, as a matter of fact. Love, love, love. Those are some of my favorite things. Okay, last item in the box. The way it felt kind of heavy and the way this was kind of flat. Oh, it's not the last item in the box. There's a stone. Oh, it appears to be an amethyst. I thought we were going to get another plaque. I don't dig it when she sends the plaques. That is a nice amethyst. Look. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You can sit right there. Perfect. All right. Now what have we here? If this is a statue, I'm totally going to die. What is this? No, it's not. It looked like it was going to be, but I'm not really sure what it is. This a water bottle? Get out of town. She is stepping up her game, you guys. Seriously. I don't even know what this is. Oh, wow. It is a crystal infused water bottle. It looks to be. Let me see what this thing is. Let's look and see what we've got. Bamboo crystal water bottle. Get out of town. Many of us carry a water bottle around all day, especially when we are working to improve our health. I wanted to include an item that will not only remind you to love yourself daily, but is useful to use outside of your practice as well. What am I always saying? That I appreciate things that are useful. And she really is stepping up her game. Seriously. Seriously. I'm loving this. I love this box. It is a self-love body candle. The pink one. It's for self-love. Love that. Okay, when I read last month that this was supposed to be like a love box or whatever, I didn't really know what to expect. I wanted something a little different, you know, than your classic love spell. And the love spell that came in Soul Spell Society was like the love sex spell, which I was talking about right before I opened up the box. So that's amazing. And then this one, it's Self-Love Sunday for me. So both of these boxes have just done it. They've done it. Absolutely. That's a Super7 Crystal, known as a melody stone or sacred stone, extremely rare mineral with 7 crystals in one. It's not an amethyst. It has amethyst in it. Also another stone that I can't pronounce. Geothite, another one that I can't pronounce. Rutile, smoky quartz, and quartz, which all the minerals are usually naturally encased in. Okay, Super7 is the key ingredient to accessing the spirit realm and unlocking the knowledge and ancient beings within. The higher frequency of this stone helps one attune their energy to that of celestial beings, allowing one to better understand the meaning and purpose of their soul. Super7 helps provide answers to questions one may have for an entire lifetime, while also ushering in the ability to connect one's past life experiences. These past life episodes contain ancient knowledge one has been able to carry with them for multiple lifetimes. This unique blend of minerals helps bring this knowledge to the forefront so that it may be unlocked and used in one's current life. Working with Super7 repeatedly will help expand one's consciousness while pushing for complete mental clarity. This stone helps bring the strength of one's mind to the forefront, unlocking it and pushing one to process lingering thoughts and emotions. Once one is able to begin clearing their mind, they can then begin the journey of channeling the higher knowledge down to an earthly plane. Once this energy is grounded, we've already pulled our grounding card today, it can then be used to push one in the direction of their most desired dreams. Love that. And then we have the Love Potion Tea and the Sage and Rose Petals Smoke Bundle, the Infinity Bracelet, Rose Water Spray. I'm curious about that Rose Hip Salve. This may be my favorite salve yet. Well, mine too, if it's going to do some lightening of some age spots. I use it for crow's feet, around my eyes, and on any dry skin patches. Rose Hip Salve is wonderful for scarring, wrinkles, and anti-aging. It is also used for cuts, scrapes, dry skin, cuticles, and cracked heels. I added a small amount of high-quality geranium essential oil for its anti-aging benefits. Well, don't we love that? We're in our 40s. We need some anti-aging. Yes, please, ma'am. Passion incense sticks made with sensual fragrance blend of cinnamon, musk, and vanilla bean. All 3 ingredients are a come-to-me fragrance. They do smell really nice. And the Moon in the Zodiac Calendar, which is this one right here. Ooh, look at this sexy bitch on the front. I do love her calendars. These will go in my grimoire, which is right here. You can see through my new little fancy water bottle. I've got to organize my grimoire. It's getting a little out of hand. I've been just putting things toward the back instead of keeping it organized like it was when it first started. I need to go through, and there's a lot of things that I started in it that I need to finish in it. Like I started doing like hand drawing the herbs that I have and watercoloring them, and then writing beside them their uses, their medical and magical uses. So I want to continue that and start on crystals as well. So that may be something to do for the future. I may share that with you guys once I get around to that. I have so many things to do. So many that I want to share with you guys. We are on such a journey together, and I'm glad that you're here for it. I know that we have like a small little, channel here so far, but it's been a lot of fun, and I have been enjoying every second of it. So yeah, feel free to join us. We would love to have you. Let's see. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Now I've got to go and put this in, all the stuff in recycling, and put my things away. And I think next we're going to be doing an altar tour. And after that, we're going to be making an incense holder similar to this one right here. I made this one, and I want to make it just a little bit longer one way to catch all the ashes from the jumbo incense. This does a really good job catching ashes though. I feel like most incense holders, the job of an incense holder is to catch the ashes, and most of them fail miserably. This one does a pretty good job. It just needs to be a little more lengthy for the jumbo sticks. So, gonna do that. That's on my list, coming very soon. So, in the meantime, thanks for liking, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.